Today I'm going to show you how to find your contacts in Gmail in just a few simple steps. This is a really useful trick if you want to quickly access saved email addresses, check your contact list, or manage people you frequently email without searching around in the wrong place. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to mail.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the Google account where your contacts are saved, because Gmail contacts are tied to your Google account. Once Gmail loads, look to the right side panel of the screen. You should see the Google Apps icon, which looks like a little grid of 9 dots. This icon gives you access to all of Google's main tools and services, so it's a very important menu to know about. Click on the Google Apps icon to open the full app list. After that, a panel of Google Apps will appear. From here, look for Contacts. If you don't see it right away, you may need to scroll through the app list a little, but in most cases, it should be easy to spot. Click Contacts, and Google Contacts will open in a new tab or window. This is where all of your saved contacts are stored. From here, you can view contact details, edit names, add phone numbers, organize people into labels, or remove contacts you no longer need. If you are only trying to find your contacts in Gmail, that's really all there is to it. Just open Gmail, click the 9-dot Google Apps menu on the right and select Contacts. It's a quick and easy way to get to your address book without having to dig through settings or search around manually. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.